Hey guys, Marcus here. In this video, I decided to share with you how you can make your own budget planner or expense tracker based on your desires or how you want it to have it with no code and with AI. So there's going to be a link down below in the description. When you're going to click on it, you will get right here to Base 44. Now Base 44 is going to allow you to build the budget tracker or like expense tracker like this, where right now you can see that I got income sources, the fixed expenses, available expenses, saving investments, like the important things. And how you want to do it is that you first need to have a structure for it. So go to ChatGPT or to, I don't know what kind of AI tool you use. I use ChatGPT. And here you're just going to write it. I want to make my own expense tracker, or let's say a budget planner. Please give me categories and also structure. I want to have it for my family, right? And here we go. So it's going to create you. And now look at that. So what do you want to do? So for example, this is the expense tracker that I have. I'm just going to take it, right? And you're gonna copy it. And if you want to, you can have like expensive categories even here that you can like add. And now you're gonna write here, I want you to build me, let's say, expense tracker here. The old expense tracker should look and gather expenses running inside reports. And I just pasted all the kind of like the things, the structure from the ChatGPT. Of course, you can also have the expense categories here. And now you're just gonna send it. And in a moment when you're gonna send it, it's going to start to generate it for you. Now for the Base 44, how it works is that you can then like create account. You can also buy the domain. On the top right, you're gonna find the publish. But then you will see is that the one thing that you can do is that if there is going to be something that you're not satisfied with, you can always change it with AI. And if you're not satisfied with the changes and you start to circling, I made like even like complete guide on how to use it. You're gonna click here, revert this, and automatically it's going to go step back. So right now it's going to build it for you. It's going to take a little while. And this is, for example, how the budget master look like, the budget planner. And you see right here the fixed expenses, the variable expenses, the saving investments. And then what you can always do, like, okay, let me click on everything, right? Or like, let me change that. I want to have list here. I don't want to have it this way. It's going to do it for you. Like, I just want to show you something that I built that I'm very proud of, is that I made myself my own productivity tool. Is that, look at that. I just want to show you. And I just like optimize the base for me, right? So I have the dashboard here. I have the tasks here. This is how I wanted to have it, is that I can just like click plus here and write the task. And then I can like move it between the days, and every single day, this is perfect for me, right? And I can always have like the weeks, what I need to do every single day. Then I can have like projects here, and it can be like a family project, or project is going to be like work. And then I got also daily rules here. So these daily rules are like compliance that, okay, I'm not going to, I don't know, I'm going to meditate in the morning and in evening. That's kind of like my rule. And also, I'm not going to go on Twitter. I'm not going to go to Instagram. I'm not going to go to TikTok, right? And these are my rules that I have. I'm going to like daily goals in a way. This is not like really rules, there are goals. And then I got even the analytics here for the rules. And like how kind of like compliant I am with them. So this is something that I absolutely love that I built it. So I highly encourage you to do the same, because you see how powerful this is, right? So now it's building for us, so we're gonna wait. And then what can happen is going to build you only like 2-3 things, and you need to like, okay, finish me this, this doesn't work. And you can see you can make it very perfect. So let's just wait here. Okay, and now it's finished. As you can see, we have it. So we have the expense tracker, we have the dashboard here, then we have the income history here, where you can simply add the income. And you can always like edit here, and then you're gonna find the expense history that you can add expenses, and you're gonna have like the categories here, the paid by, And then you see what happens here is that, for example, you can see the data here for the navigation. So for the budgets, saving goals, so add their budgets and saving goals, and also debt tracker and recurring payments and reports. Okay, so now we're just going to wait again, and it's going to add these things that are missing. Now we will see then is that, for example, then maybe some things are not going to work, and like, for example, you don't want to have the monthly income there, and like monthly expense if you want to have only savings rate. So you can like literally adjust it as much as you want. You're just going to write AI what you want and you got it. That's how simple it is.